Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Magic Eraser in Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's have a look. First, open Google Photos app on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Then choose an image that you want to edit with Magic Eraser. Once you find an image that needs fixing, tap Edit at the bottom of the Photos app. Swipe right to left and tap Tools. Then tap Magic Eraser. Click or brush to erase. Draw a circle on the object or person in the photo that needs to be removed. That's it. Object removed using Magic Eraser. Once you're satisfied with the changes, tap Done on bottom right. Then tap Save Copy. Here you will see before and after Magic Erase. So these are the steps to use Magic Eraser in Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.